Alright, so this second video here of creating clone models, we're going to take a look at a couple more pretty production efficient techniques that I recommend that you get used to using now. Um, just like we are creating this clone, not to give ourselves any particular definable characteristics of a character, but rather this is a jumping off point for us to start from here to then create any character that we want. Um, what we're going to do with this, first thing I'm going to do, just kind of taking a look see here, um, some of the things that I want to do is I just want to make some minor adjustments here to his chest. I'm just seeing that his chest is not very broad at all. So I'm just going to make some little changes just to, as we can see, I'm just giving his chest a little bit more of a definable characteristics, a little more manly. But again, I'm not really going to be overly concerned with it. It was just something that was bothering me. But what we're going to do now actually is we're going to bring in a hand and a face to kind of complete this clone model. And then maybe I'll show you a couple of just quick techniques that we can use to kind of take this clone and turn it into whatever we want. So what we're going to do, I want you to go File, Merge, and I'm going to go ahead and point to my current folder, and hopefully you have downloaded the face and hand files. Should have been a zip file on my site that accompanies this video under the download sections, and if you go ahead and extract these, you should get these two files. And please know that these are max 9 files, so that's the earliest version I have, but there are also two OBJ files in here as well, so if you need to go back to max 6 or 7, you can use those OBJs. But if you're going to do that, then you need to go File, Import. For everybody else that are using max 9 or above, we just go File, Merge. So I'm going to go ahead and merge into hand, hit Open, and we see that it's looking for us. It's examining the entire file and showing us what's in there, and the only thing we have in there is the hand, so we'll go ahead and merge that in. And the way I've got this file set up, this hand is actually can be placed, but I've got the pivot point set up to where we can quickly rotate this to have it actually fit the arm in any way that we need to. For example, I'll go ahead and set this to a local rotation, and you can see I can just really quickly kind of get that geared and set up to flow right into the arm here. So I'm just going to make those couple of adjustments like that, and we'll go ahead and get the arm ready to receive the hand. So I'm going to go into polygon mode, and apparently I'm still selected on those polygons, which is a good thing. I'm now actually going to scale and local mode, and I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm just scaling that down on the Z, and what that's doing is it's flattening those vertices out for me, so I can now just hit delete. And actually kind of looking at the way things are going, I think we'd be better off if we actually I'm going to select all of those and hit delete, and now we will actually just bridge these guys together. So in order to do that, what we need to do is attach the hand to our body. So we'll go down to Editable Poly, go into Attach, and we'll actually click on the hand, turn off Attach, and So you can see now the hand is a part of the body. And now we just go to border mode, and because border represents these holes in the mesh. And now I'm just going to go to bridge, and let me go into perspective here. And looks like we should be able to bridge. I'll go from this edge to this one. And voila. Now one of the things that you'll notice, we'll go into element mode, and you see that it immediately selects the latest created element,